Careers in the health science technology field incorporate a range of degrees with workforce needs across the region.
Bachelor of Science degrees, and these would be in your biology, your biochemistry, microbiology.
2-year associate degrees, which are medical laboratory technicians, as well as 4-year degreed individuals, medical laboratory scientists.
In the clinic in East Grand Forks, we have a diverse group of individuals: X-ray, nurses, doctors, PT, occupational medicine.
The nursing assistants especially needed. We're seeing hiring bonuses out for RNs up to $10,000 now to recruiting people into that needed field.
Wages are competitive for employees with a variety of degrees, including graduates from 1- and 2-year programs. For many working in the health sciences, a typical day often isn't so typical.
I think my favorite part would have to be that I just get to do so many different things, and there's just so many cool things about each different department in the laboratory, and so from one day to the next I'll get to either be given blood for transfusions, or I'll be doing chemistry testing on people's blood, or urinalysis testing.
Respiratory therapy, it's kind of like a nurse, except it's a very specific field just with breathing. We still have to know a lot of background with anatomy, physiology, how the body works, but our main focus is breathing.
So an average scientist would come in and then they would execute the experiments, and then they've got to process that data in a form that we can make decisions based upon that data.
I've been a nurse now for about 8 years, and I'm never bored, and there's always different opportunities.
Many skills are needed for these professions.
You need to like constant change.
I'd say attention to detail.
A big time love of science.
If you're high energy,
Certainly need to exhibit great teamwork.
That's someone who is motivated by helping people.
Early in high school is a great time to start exploring a future career.
There are many ways in which you can be in the health fields. As a matter of fact, a lot of the progress in at least in my field, vaccines and biotherapeutics, is done by scientists that don't treat the actual patients, but create the treatment that the doctor will eventually use.
It's great to get students involved right away and really have something to look forward to and work hard so that they have ambitions and motivations later in life.
Don't shy away from the difficult courses in school. They're not going to go away, and you might grow to love them.
One of my favorite parts, I'll be honest, is that I'm back home in North Dakota.
family is here in the area.
There's a lot of great people in North Dakota, a lot of really awesome coworkers that I have that I enjoy working with, and it's a great work environment. I wouldn't have it any other way.